Hey, Paul, is there any casual jobs at the hotel?
Oh, why? Haven't you got enough work looking after Abigail?
No, I just need the extra cash on my course. I can juggle both. I just need to run it by Leo when him and Krista get back.
What? Where are Leo and Krista going?
Oh, they just went driving somewhere.
Yeah, but where to?
I don't know. I don't ask any questions.
Hmm.
So the job?
Oh, yeah. Send your CV into HR. I'll make sure somebody gets in touch if the job comes up.
Cool. Great chat.
Everything okay? You look like you just got invited to a team building weekend.
No, just a few things piling up.
I won't add. I just wanted to say thank you for hearing my pitch last week, even if it didn't work out.
Actually enjoyed watching you in action.
Thank you. I was also thinking...
Oh, God, it never stops, does it?
Okay, no, I really have to go now. There's customers. Okay, bye. Sorry.
Please, it's so good to see you and Mackenzie together.
Thanks, Mel. Just the usual for you?
Yes, and Karl's too, please.
Yeah, sure. I'm on it.
Coffees are on their way.
Oh, good, thank you.
And did I tell you that I am seeing Santo again later today?
But that's soon. Last night must have gone really well.
Better than well. It was amazing. Now, people say that you should wait a week, but I think when it's right, right?
Right.
Right. Cheers.
So, strawberry and mango. That is interesting.
They're the performance fruits over in Europe. Helps jet lag.
It sounds like next level citrus.
Curtis used to tease me about it too in Glasgow. I've got photos if you like.
Oh, no. You know, I'm really busy.
Oh, you smell gorgeous. Is that your perfume? Can I try some?
It's really expensive.
Oh, no, you know what? It's fine. Totally fine. Let's go. What?
Don't be shy. I'm meeting someone special later. Here we go.
Okay.
Ta muchly.
Back of the throat.
Oh, you smell like Chelsea's perfume.
Don't you start too.
No, your father just got punted. Actually, I think I did too. So you're gonna stay for lunch?
Maybe something quick. I'm looking after Abigail again today.
Again, that's hardly less nannying.
Chelsea hasn't paid me yet, so I need the money.
But you were supposed to be paid at the end of the day.
I know, she's probably just forgotten.
Okay. Well, choose what you're eating for lunch. You right?
Terrible.
If I'm honest, I'm worried I might be a bit out of my depth.
Oh, I think you're underestimating yourself. I heard good things about the pop-up stand. I'm sorry I missed it.
Well, A, it got shut down, and B, it's a long way from the success we've had. In a competitive industry, too.
So I'm assuming you've heard about the joys of dealing with Paul.
He's a tough nut to crack.
Try being married to him.
Oh, I'm sorry. Cara never mentioned. Any tips?
What, working with Paul? Maybe don't take anything he says or does personally.
Terese, thank you. I really appreciate your time.
My pleasure. Good luck.
Oh, and I love your perfume.
Oh, thank you. It's Descent with a C.
Hi. Hey.
Oh, let me guess.
Didn't work out with Paulson A trying to raise? Just two business minds conferring. I'll see you back at home.
Yeah, see ya.
Since when does she confer with anyone about anything?
Okay, you don't have to make something out of everything she does.
She makes something out of everything.
Come here.
Get away, you're a traitor.
I think it'd be fun. Oh, hey, Holly. We've been workshopping second date ideas for Mel and her beau.
Well, you've been, and so far we have not hit the spot.
Well, hot tip, never take date ideas from Dad.
Hey, how about karaoke?
As long as you and your guitar don't go along.
Hey, you know I'm just trying to help, right? I'm so happy this is working out. You deserve it. Oh.
There's something I should probably tell you about me and Santo.
Oh, sorry. Toadie just sent me a very funny meme, eh?
It's pronounced meme.
Yeah, yeah, right. Sorry, what were you saying about you and Santo?
Well, I'm thinking that maybe I should just keep it low-key. Don't want to scare him off.
That's probably wise, yeah. Maybe save the karaoke for another day.
Well, I better go putting myself up for my date then.
Okay.
That smells good. Is that one of yours?
No. What do you think about this suit? Businessy enough?
Yeah, I like it. Less sassy, more...
Chelsea in charge is what I'm going for.
What are you going to be in charge of?
Me. Lend me 10 million.
Oh, yeah, of course. Where do I sign?
I think I'm going to try on some different shoes.
I know you think I'm biased, but you give her a lot of free passes.
Well, that's because I owe her a lot.
Does she deserve it, though?
Yeah, she does. My life in high school, coming out, would have been so much worse without Chelsea there. She's always had my back.
You're heading out already? You just let me up.
Ah, yeah, like I said, it never stops. Your perfume.
Like it?
Yeah. Somebody I know used to wear it.
She must have good taste too. I won't hold you up. I wanted to ask you something. Hi, Chelsea. Sadie.
Did you need something?
I'm just going to take Abby for a play date, but I just wanted to ask about the pop-up and the work I did.
What about it?
I was just wondering when I might get paid.
You were paid. My accountant put it through.
Look, as much as I'd love to stay for this scintillating conversation, I really have to head on. Sadie will see you around. Bye, Abby.
Thanks, Paul. We'll chat soon. Why would you do that?
What?
I gave you work to try and help you, and you just embarrassed me in front of Paul.
I didn't mean to. I was just asking.
I said you'd get paid within 30 days.
No, you said cash in hand on the day.
So you're saying I'm lying?
No, I probably just misheard.
You definitely misheard. You'll get your money within 30 days and don't expect any more work from me again.
Here as I am, like the toes on my feet, always a gamble on who they might meet. Fresh are the flowers and air that is sweet, bringing me back to you. Tell me what happened when angels once flew, reached the sublime by a line that they drew. So keep me on route and tie wings on my shoes as I pull on through.
She was so rude.
Yeah, well, she can't do that.
I mean, first I screw up with Leo, then Chelsea. Maybe I'm just a terrible employee.
Hey, look, she made you a promise and then she changed the terms of the deal.
I'm just gonna forget about it.
Hang on.
No. That perfume cost your dad a packet and she's going to pay you what you're owed.
Mom, can we please just leave it?
You know what, Andrew? Go home. Put your uniform on.
What?
Yep, and get that belt. The belt with all the accessory, everything on it.
I'm not going to hunt down Chelsea and I'm definitely not bringing my weapon.
I'm not asking you to tase her. Just an appropriate show of authority.
Look, if I bump into her, I will have a talk to her, okay? But nothing more.
Fine.
But surely it's French. It'd be mime.
How's it French? Doesn't have the little accent.
Well, it looks French.
Well, if it was, wouldn't it be meme?
It might be. Yeah.
Hey, Karl. Melanie seems like she's in a good place at the moment.
Okay, I take it you overheard her this morning.
No, I mean, we weren't eavesdropping.
No, of course. I have to say, I haven't seen her this enthusiastic since before she left.
So the date went well, did it?
Very well, yes. In fact, she's on another date.
Big date already.
Fingers crossed, but sorry.
Mum, don't.
Cara, hi. We need to talk.
Wow, a delegation. Okay.
Look, we know that you've already spoken, but we want to check on the pay situation with Sadie.
Sadie and I agreed payment will be made within the month. I don't know why this is suddenly an issue.
Well, it's an issue because it's not what was agreed. And when Sadie questioned you, you upset her.
Mom, Dad, just don't worry about it.
Look, if anything's changed in the interim, please just let us know. But based on what was agreed, Sadie should be paid.
Of course. She was never not going to be paid.
Great.
I'll pay her tomorrow.
Easy. Everyone's happy.
Great. Let's get a drink somewhere else.
No, hang on. What just happened?
I did Sadie Rubble a favour giving her work, and now she's hassling me for money. Seriously.
1 day's pay.
Exactly. No big deal, right?
No, I mean, it's 1 day's pay. Why hasn't she got no money?
Really?
Chels, I've had so many run-ins with that family. I do not need another one. If Sadie did the work, then you should pay her.
I will. But I have a ton of overheads. I didn't even get to trade the whole day. You know that.
Right, but you've got, what, $1,000 to blow on a power suit?
This suit's an investment.
You don't have the money, do you?
Of course I'll have the money.
But not right now.
If you want to get really technical about it, no.
Cheers, thank you. I have to say, I love the flowers. It's a beautiful touch, thank you.
Yeah, my brother's a florist.
Oh, really?
Oh, hey. Could I get a mineral water, please? Yep. What's going on? Oh, so from what I've heard, it is the seeds of true love blossoming.
Oh, I'm surprised you actually look like your photo.
Well, people always say the photo was from last month. They don't tell you which year.
In London, they call it face tuning.
Oh, sounds like you've been travelling.
I just got back. You don't need any tuning.
Stop it.
What's your cologne?
Oh, it's probably just mint.
You like mine? It's very expensive.
That's nice. It smells like warm nights by the fire.
Oh, I like the sound of that.
There you go. $300. Day early, too.
Thank you. And sorry everyone got involved.
Good night.
Probably could have dealt with that a bit better.
She got her cash. End of story.
Look, this goes without saying, but please don't tell Remi I lent you the money.
Don't worry. It's not a great look for me, either.
I mean it, Chels. Not a word.
Yep. Zipped up. Thanks, sis. You're the best.
I really enjoyed this.
So did I. You've got my number, so don't be a stranger.
Hey, I'll wear rosemary next time. I'll call you tomorrow.
Yeah, that would be good. Did you get a look at that?
He seemed very nice.
Nice. He's perfection on a stick.
So you had fun?
Oh, not as much fun as we're gonna have. Too bad he had something else on. Otherwise, it would have been me, him, a hot tub, and some
Oh, yeah,
baby oil.
Vera, I get it. So, when are you seeing Santo again?
How do you know his name?
I heard you say it in conversation. Vera, can I ask you a question?
Depends on the question.
So I know a lot of people use dating apps, but how do you know if it's serious or they're just wanting a hookup?
I ask him up front. I told Santo I didn't want to see anyone who was seeing other people. He said the same thing.
Right. Oh, good luck.
You don't need luck when you got the charm, doll.
Whoop.
Good morning.
Is it? I'm not disturbing.
No, wouldn't have buzzed you up otherwise. Coffee?
Love one. Right. Cards on the table. I'm here with an agenda.
Oh, that sounds ominous.
A good omen, I hope. I wanted to take you out on a date as a thank you for all your amazing help with my pop-up.
I don't think I really did enough to deserve that.
I didn't take you as the kind of person who underestimates the influence they have, especially when it comes to business.
I think what I meant to say was I wouldn't expect you to pay.
We can work out the details on the night. So is that a yes?
I reckon it's a yes.
Wonderful. I'll see you soon then.
Okay.
Morning, Sadie. Morning.
You're nannying again.
Yeah, I gotta take it where I can. Plus, this one's adorable.
Sadie,
Yeah?
how much is this course costing you exactly?
Oh, I'll be paying it off for years. That reminds me, I forgot to put my CV into HR today.
No, don't worry about that. No. Because I might have something for you that will earn you a lot more than you're making at the hotel.
Ooh, need a hand? Oh, thanks. You look pleased with yourself. Because you're looking at the woman who landed a date with Paul Robinson. Paul asked you out. Don't look so surprised. I'm quite a catch.
Except he didn't do the asking, did he?
What? What's that?
I think you should ask your sister.
You're going through my personal things now. That's really classy, Remi.
I'm not going through your personal things. I'm cleaning up your mess. Because you're not here for Cara and the boys. Or even to sell your perfume.
What are you talking about? Of course I am.
Look, you're even dressed like Terese. You're here to latch on to Paul Robinson.
Don't be ridiculous.
Okay, then explain that, Chelsea Robinson.
Chels? Nothing. It's just some stupid doodling. So what if I like him? We get on well.
Well, you don't like him. You think he's short. The only thing you like about Paul is his fat wallet. Okay, let's see what he says when he sees this.
All right. I'll admit it. My business is struggling. I owe so much money to everyone, I don't know where to start.
And Paul is your golden ticket?
No. Fine. If it makes you happy, I'll tell Paul that I'm broke.
Oh.
that I even had to borrow money off my own sister to pay Sadie Rodwell for one lousy day of work.
You what?
Chelsea, I just wanted to get Sadie her money, and if Cara hadn't helped, I wouldn't have even been able to do that.
You gave her money to pay Sadie? Why didn't you tell me?
Because on top of everything else, I didn't want the grief.
Oh. Okay.
No, Remi, let me explain
No,
that.
you've explained. Chelsea's always got your back, and you've always got hers. Message received.